Red lead first. This is straight from the battery's positive post through a fuse into the switch. Black lead goes to negative. Once they're snug, flip the switch and the fan comes to life. Same circuit feeds the little lamp through this socket. Plug it in, boom, light. And the USB charger shares that power.
Imagine a world where you don't have to choose between staying warm and keeping the lights on, where you can enjoy all the comforts of modern life without the constant worry of high energy bills. What if I told you this isn't a fantasy, but a reality within your reach? Keep watching to discover the energy solution that's ending the sacrifice and empowering homeowners to live comfortably and affordably. Edison created a remarkable energy device that reportedly pulls electricity right from the ground beneath your feet, and no, this has nothing to do with overpriced solar panels or loud gas generators. Let me ask you something. Have you been left in the middle of a heat wave with your AC out and your family sweltering in the heat? Well, this device may help keep your lights on, your fridge running, your AC on, and even your internet working during a blackout. I tried it, and my home is more consistently powered, and my bills are gradually decreasing. I'll be honest, there were times when I felt like I was living in the dark ages. Literally, living on a tight budget, those energy bills were a constant source of stress. Summers were scorching, winters were freezing, and I'd often find myself sacrificing comfort just to keep the costs down. And then there were the blackouts. Oh, the dreaded blackouts. Inspired by Thomas Edison's highly valuable work, this device uses a closed-loop system to generate clean energy efficiently. By minimizing energy loss and maximizing conversion efficiency, this invention offers a sustainable and cost-effective solution without the need for hefty investments or complicated setups. Whether it was a storm, a heat wave, or just some random grid failure, losing power always felt like a punch to the gut. No lights, no heating, no internet. It was enough to make anyone go crazy. I knew I had to find a better way. Solar panels, too expensive. A generator, too noisy and unreliable. I was starting to lose hope until I stumbled upon something that seemed almost too good to be true. A portable energy device that was clean, affordable, easy to install, and reportedly pulls electricity right from the ground beneath my feet. Sounds interesting? It is simpler than you think. You can click Learn More and get information on how you can easily build this device with easy-to-follow plans that anyone can follow. You can watch a free video that explains how this little device is helping many generate power and reduce energy bills. The device is durable, emission-free, and safe for both indoor and outdoor use. Skeptical at first, I decided to give it a shot. And let me tell you, it was one of the best decisions I've ever made. This little device has been a significant improvement. Now, I'm less reliant on the power company or the weather. I can keep my home comfortable year-round without worrying about breaking the bank. And when the power goes out, I'm not left in the dark. The best part? Setting it up was a breeze. No need to call in an electrician or spend hours deciphering complicated instructions. It was literally plug and play. If you're tired of blackouts, high energy bills, and sacrificing your comfort, I urge you to take the first step towards energy freedom. Imagine having reliable, clean power at your fingertips, no matter what life throws your way. Don't let the power companies control your life any longer. Click Learn More and get detailed information about this amazing device. Take charge of your energy future today.